Just wanted to show you a bit of our setup here. This is the shack. The caravan's been there forever. On this side is covered over, a bit of a work shed. The little Suzuki gets parked there, just as a little 4x4 for anyone here. So I'll have a look around in here. Fire pit for outside. Normally I have table and chairs and everyone sits out here in the good weather. Well, just arrived at the shack. Now I just need to unpack the car and bring everything inside. Well, that should do for starters anyway. A lot of food, 3 days here. Right here, the kitchen area, made my breakfast, cup of tea. Shower I need to try and get working. Double bed, all my camping stuff I threw there last night. I've got here another big bed here, sofa that rolls out to a bed, guitar I was playing, the new wood heater, that's excellent now. One of the jobs I wanted to do for a while now is put a brick backing or a reflector behind this fireplace that we have put in this year. So I'm just going to put some bricks around it, just dry set them, and hopefully it works. But first I'll need to bring the bricks in, probably put them over there. So now I'll need to clear a place around the sides of the fireplace and then build the bricks around it. But first I need to clear out and sweep it out. So let's have a look then. Fairly well encompasses the fireplace now. Alright, ready for winter. A few months away from here though. I'm going to pack up for my little excursions today. Well, today we're going down to 4x4 only kind of trail. There's no other way to get down there. So it'll be a slow, steady, downwards trail in first gear low. And we'll see what it looks like when we get down there. At the property and near Taralga, and I'm going to try and cross this creek as well, but you can see there's a fair bit of water there. It's about 7:30. Just need to go around this bend here. toilet out the back there.